Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to cancel LionsGate Play subscriptions on your iPhone or iPad. Open this Apple TV app on your iPhone or iPad and just tap the settings here. Under your account, right, you can see these options, manage subscriptions. Tap it. Under subscriptions, you can see the list LionsGate Play on Apple TV. Just tap that. And you can see these options, cancel subscriptions. I have free trial, so I'm going to cancel it. Cancel free trial or cancel subscriptions if you have active subscriptions. So cancel free trial. Tapping it. Confirm cancellation. If you end your trial now, you will still have access to it until 25th April. So now I'm going to give confirm. Tap this confirm. That's it, friends. Successfully, I have cancelled this LionsGate Play on Apple TV. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedbacks in my uniforms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.